Hello everyone, Merry Christmas and welcome to Nailist. Today you'll see me try to bring life to my little sister's vision after she gave me this little sketch she made for me, inspired by my Christmas charms. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. We're gonna be doing some Christmas nails again, and this time I'm spicing it up. I'm gonna do my dominant hand with my non-dominant hand, and I'm gonna go ahead and do what my little sister came up with after she saw my Christmas supplies. So we'll be following that. It's in Greek, so you can't read it, but I will for you. So I've already put some jelly tips on. We're gonna do our best to make this look good. So for the thumb, it says red and white with a golden snowflake and golden stars and some pearls. Okay, I think we're gonna be using some of this luxury white. It's very sparkly and pretty. This is completely transparent, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and put a white coat behind it. I'm going with my white as a base. I'm curing. All right. So we're gonna put a top coat on, and we're gonna place the snowflake. I think it's somewhere here. This is already pre-curved. It's from Shein. A couple of stars. That goes over there. And some pearls. I believe this is what this would look like. Okay, so let's go on this one now. This one says white with sparkles and a big reindeer with a diamond. So we're gonna do the same color here. And let's go place the star of today, which is gonna be this reindeer right here. This is also from Shein. Oh, and it looks beautiful. I'm gonna put some top coat on. A bit more here. I think it looks great. So we got these two, it's so cute. And now I'm gonna get some food and I'm coming back for the rest. Now we're gonna go make the one with the tree. It says the same white with the tree from the ones you got. That's so sweet. And that means we're keeping it cohesive. I like it. We're doing white again. Okay. And we're keeping it simple. She just wants a Christmas tree. It's this one, if I'm not mistaken. So cute. But I think on top of that, I want to put some of these. Spice it up a little. Alright, sorry for that. I put top coat all over it. And I'm placing the tree right about here. Alright, they're looking good so far, guys. And this looks amazing too. Let's go to the next one, number 3. That's gonna be a lot of work. Let's see. Same white and red with glitter and the little bells. Okay. Things are not easy with this hand. So now she chose this red from Beatles. Brush, palette. I'm telling you, it's not too bad, it's just bad. Okay, let's flash cure this. Okay, perfect. And now we gotta put the bells on after we put some top coat. Well, I honestly really like how she thought of it. Perfect. Okay, it's coming together. Pretty good. And for the last one, we'll do snowflakes and some red and green rhinestones. Perfect. I believe she means these snowflakes. Let's see how that white is gonna be on white. Will you be able to see it? Well, not as much. Well, we could potentially try this. Cure. Yeah. So the way I found to curve metallic charms is I take it and I place it on a bit and just squeeze it out there. And it takes a little curve so that it fits my nail. So let's just put a little bit of top coat. Then we put the big red one over here. And the other one. We're putting this red one right here. And I believe that this is pretty close, you guys. Okay, let's cure. So here's the pinky. And I want to tell you guys that I really love this and I want you to tell me what you think about it. Okay guys, this is what we created. I would highly recommend you ask your little siblings if you have any, or any friends or cousins, to give you some of these challenges and try to recreate their imagination, because I would never come up with like such a combination. I loved it. I really did. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will be happy to see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this. Bye!
She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say like, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems. She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that.